Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Amazon Web Services, AWS, Cloud Development Kit, CDK, is a powerful framework for defining cloud infrastructure as code, IAC, using familiar programming languages. This tutorial will guide you through creating a simple AWS Lambda function using CDK with Python. Before you start, make sure you have the following: AWS CDK installed. Ensure that you have AWS CDK installed on your local machine. You can install it using AWS CLI Installed. Make sure you have the AWS CLI installed and configured with your AWS credentials. Python. Install Python on your machine if you haven't already. You can download Python from here. Open a terminal and run the following commands to create a new CDK project. This command initializes a new CDK project using Python as the programming language. Navigate to the project directory and install the necessary dependencies for Lambda development. Open the app_stack.py file in your favorite code editor and modify it to create a Lambda function. Replace the contents with the following code. This code defines a simple Lambda function using Python 3.8 runtime. Create a folder named Lambda in your project directory and add a file named index.py with the following content. This file contains a basic Lambda function handler. In the terminal, run the following commands to deploy your CDK stack. Follow the prompts to deploy the stack. After deployment, CDK will provide you with the Lambda function ARN. Navigate to the AWS Lambda console or use the AWS CLI to invoke your Lambda function. You can use the provided ARN in the output. Check the output.json file to see the result of the Lambda function invocation. Congratulations! You have successfully created and deployed an AWS Lambda function using AWS CDK with Python. You can now extend this example to include more AWS resources and build complex cloud infrastructures as code. ChatGPT.